What's going on, guys? Bouret here with Adorama TV. Today I'm shooting with a 10-year-old camera, the Canon 80D, and a 33-year-old lens, the 50 f1.4. No eye detection, no eye autofocus, no 4K video, just a camera, a lens, and good lighting. Let's see if this camera could take some good portraits in 2026. Let's go shoot. 10 years ago, the Canon 80D was one of Canon's most popular cameras. By today's standards, it may seem outdated, especially compared to my Canon R5. The autofocus isn't as fast, it doesn't have eye detection, and it lacks many of the modern features we've come to rely on. But here's what's interesting. Despite its age, it still works perfectly with modern lighting gear. To keep this test fair, I'm using the exact same lighting setup I'd use on a commercial shoot, a Flashpoint XPLOR 600 Pro 2 paired with a 36-inch Octa box. As I started shooting, one thing became obvious. The 80D requires more from the photographer. I have to pay closer attention to focus, communicate more with my subject, and be more intentional with every frame. But photography existed long before eye autofocus, and photographers created incredible images by understanding light, composition, and timing. Those fundamentals haven't changed. So the question isn't whether this camera can still create great images, the question is whether the photographer can. Looking at these final portraits, I think the results speak for themselves. Sure, my Canon R5 is faster, smarter, and more capable, but great photography has never been about having the newest camera. It's about understanding light, posing, composition, and bringing your vision to life. And that's really the point of this video. Once you learn to master those fundamentals, photography becomes far more about you than the gear you're using. The camera becomes a tool, not the thing that determines whether your photos are good. If this video has you thinking about trying an older camera, Adorama has a great used gear section where you can find cameras like the Canon 80D, classic lenses like this one, and plenty of other older models at a fraction of the cost of buying new. Technology evolves, great photography doesn't. So what do you think? If I hadn't told you these images were shot on a Canon 80D and a 50mm lens from 1993, would you have known? After seeing the final images, I'd say this setup still holds up incredibly well. Modern cameras make photography easier, but great images still come down to light, composition, and the photographer behind the camera. I'll let you decide, is it the gear or the photographer? All right, guys, I bought this camera in 2016. I have so much great memories with this camera. Let me know what you thought about those images with a 10-year-old camera and a 33-year-old lens. I'll let you decide in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll catch you next time.